For those who struggle with lack of sleep, the University of New Mexico Health Sciences is providing a new way to treat sleep apnea. News 13's Bella Olage spoke to the first doctor at UNM to perform the surgery and explains how it works.
It's something that over time can actually shorten your life.
High blood pressure, heart and lung issues, those are just some of the impacts of sleep apnea, a condition where people have trouble breathing while they sleep.
There's been a device for many years called a CPAP that many people are familiar, which is a positive pressure device that's a not surgical treatment. But some people can't use that for whatever reason.
A big issue with the current treatment is that most people who wear it to sleep find it highly uncomfortable. Dr. Syme is hoping to change that with the newer Inspire therapy device.
The Inspire doesn't require a mask, it's all internal and it's portable. The battery does have to be replaced eventually, but it has a 10-year battery life.
After an 8-year wait, Dr. Syme performed the first 2 surgeries at UNMH in June, where he made 2 incisions, one under the jawline, the other on the chest. He then put in a device that looks similar to a pacemaker into position, which charges a wire.
We place the wire in the neck around a nerve, and it's the nerve that moves our tongue, that helps us protrude our tongue. Because one of the things that happens with sleep apnea is the tongue falls to the back of the throat, and that's how the upper airway gets closed.
While this treatment was first introduced in New Mexico 2 years ago, who could get it was extremely limited due to insurance. Now, it will be accessible to a much larger crowd.
And for me, that's sort of the reason why I'm at the university, is so that we can treat everybody regardless of what their insurance status is.
Potential patients do have to meet certain requirements, including being diagnosed with moderate to severe sleep apnea, determined by a sleep study, and meeting a certain weight-to-height ratio, or BMI. And finally, you must have already tried and failed the CPAP treatment.
It's important to me because it's not just a new shiny thing to do, but it's a thing that I think people really respond to well.
Bella Olage, KRQE News 13.
Dr. Syme says his first patients have healed well and their devices will be activated July 26th, a month after the surgeries.